welcome to the first video tutorial of this program. In this tutorial, we are going to look how to set up a Node.js project and how to create a server. To set up a project, you must have Node.js installed in your system. For me, the Node.js is already have been installed. If you have not already installed the Node.js, you can follow the link here to download the Node.js based on your operating system. So here you can see that Node.js is available for all the operating system, whether you have Windows, you have OS, Mac, iOS, or you have Linux or any another operating system. So once your Node.js has been downloaded and installed, you can verify whether it is properly installed or not. So I'll write node version. It is giving me 10.15.3. That means the Node.js which version I am using is 10.15.3. To proceed with this tutorial, you must be needed one terminal. You can either use the command prompt or you can use the inbuilt terminal of this Visual Studio. So I have opened a new terminal. In new terminal, first of all, you need a packet.json file. That packet.json file can be created automatically with the help of npm. When I'll write npm init, so it will ask me different thing like package name. I am leaving everything as it is for now, and once I'll click enter, this packet.json file has already been created here. So this packet.json as a template has been created in my project. Next step will be to install Express module. So to install any module, I have to write npm install --save and name of the module Express. With Express I am downloading, so npm install --save Express. Hit enter and here we go. Express module started downloading. So one thing you can verify whether the module has been downloaded or not, that can be verified from your package.json. Whatever module you will be adding into your project, it will be added inside the dependencies. So here the first module which we added was Express, and that has been added into as a dependency. So you can verify from here as well. Apart from that, when we installed at least one module, we can see that a node module folder and a package-log.json file has been created. We will look into what is node modules folder and package-log.json file later in upcoming tutorials. For now, we are leaving at it is. Now project has been set up, basic project has been set up. Then next step will be to check how we can create a Node.js server. To do that, I'll create a new file. I'm giving the file name app.js, and now I will write const express equal to require express. So this is the way how you use any module into your file. So I am using express in my app.js file. To do that, I just wrote const express equal to require express. So this express is the name of the module and this express is the variable. Don't be confused here. So I'm writing const app equals to, I'll call the express method. After that, I'll write app.listen. So as soon as I write app.listen, what it does it, app.listen, listen takes two parameters. The first is the port number and the second is the callback function. So what it does, the first parameter is port number, so we have to specify the port number on which we want this server to be run. So by default, any Node.js application runs on 4000 port. So let's assume that I am giving 4000 as a port number, and a callback function I am giving, and just simply I am giving error just to check whether when we are starting the server, just to verify whether any error has occurred or not. So I'll give a check here. If not error, then I will log something. What it is? Server is running at port. Which port we have specified? Which one? 4000. Okay, so let's save it and let's see what we will get the answer. So to run any file in Node.js, what we have to do is we have to write node and the file name. The file name is app.js. So as soon as I write node app.js and press hit, so I can see that server is running at port 4000. I got a message which I have written here. Now how can we verify whether the application is running or not? To do that, next step, we are using a method app.use. What we will do here is just we are taking a request and a response as a parameter, and we are writing response dot send hello world. So now whenever we will hit 4000 from browser, we will get hello world as a response. Let's check it. First let's restart the server. To restart the server, we have to run app.js file. To do that, we have to do node app.js. So now server is running at 4000 port. Let's verify it. Just open Chrome and write localhost 4000 slash just 4000, and you can see that hello world is the response which we got from our application here. So this is the